Hi, this is Larry with Larry's Animal Safari. Hey, today I'm just going to cover how to set up your mason bee house once you're ready. And so you got your mason bee house. Maybe you've made or purchased wooden blocks. I made these by buying some 1x4s and then cutting them down and drilling down the middle. Maybe you have a router and you could use that, but that's what I have as an option. So you might have wooden blocks. You might go to a local park or side of the road somewhere where there's some tall common grass reeds growing. And I'll show you these real close. Flip that one around. All right, there's your grass reeds. Some are a little larger than a pencil size, but that's okay. We're just trying to mix it up a little bit. And then I have in this old can some paper that I rolled around a pencil, and they're about 6.5 inches, 6 3/4 long, and I can line my house with those. So generally what I have is 3 different items in my house. So here's my house. I might take my wooden blocks, the closed end, no holes there, closed end to the back. All right, slide that to the back. I take some of my reeds. Here's a sampling. Toss them in there. Toss a few more to fill that out. All right, so I got some reeds in there. Then I'm going to take my paper tunnels and I'm going to fill it with these with the rest of the way. So I'll do that and then we'll come right back to you. And so I've got 6.5, 6 3/4 pieces of paper that I rolled around a pencil, stapled the end. Now I want to fill my bee house. Let me do that. All right, let's just suppose that's all ready to go. I've got my basic unit down here all filled. When I have get my mason bees to release, I'll put my mason bees up here to release. I'll stick them in a little cardboard tube, pinch one end, slide it in there. It'll be something short. You've got the option of, once again, the wooden blocks, the common grass reeds, the paper tubes that I've cut and rolled around a pencil. If I have an extra block, what I like to do is put it at the bottom of my house. And I have even more tunnels for my mason bees. There you have it. Whether you use blocks, reeds, or paper tubes, you'll be fine. There you have it. I hope you have good luck with your mason bees. Thanks for watching Larry's Animal Safari. Have a great day. Bye now. All right, now I know I went through that really fast, and let me go slow on just a couple of the items. These wooden blocks drilled down the front, and the reason why I'm using 1x4s is so at the end of the season I can harvest my mason bee cocoons, and that'll let us get right under the inside so you can see how all these separate. All right, if you use just a block of wood and drill holes into it, you can't get to the cocoons at the end of the season, like in the late fall, to harvest your mason bees. Let me show you how I did this. Basically, I've got the 4 pieces of wood clamped together, got a couple extra clamps on my working table, and of course with a long drill bit you can drill down the center one at a time, and when you're done you just pull it out of there and put it into your house. Well, the other items I went through very quickly were those common grass reeds. So this is what the tops look like. They're 8 to 10 feet tall in the field, and when they become mature and they get a little older, they turn dark. Let's take a look at that right now. The base of this stem is hollow, and it goes up to another node here where there's a blockage. And I use these in my mason bee house. The third item I mentioned was using some paper and rolling it around a pencil. And here I go. So here you are. Roll it down on a pencil. Grab a pair of scissors. And you need some tape. Some clear tape here, clear tape here. And then when you slide the pencil out, you can just fold the end over and staple that. And that's how I set up all my tubes. Alright, so we showed you the blocks, the common grass reeds, and the paper tubes. Okay? If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments section. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye now.